Hey guys, welcome to Tammybooksrev. Before I get into my little thing that I'm going to do today, I want to thank you all for praying for me. I really appreciate it. I am much better now. I am only congested now, which is amazing compared to how I felt a few days ago. So thank you guys so much, and I appreciate it. For all my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you. For all my regular subscribers, a big up. Yeah, don't know. So, today I'm going to do how to say things in patois, okay? Um, I put on my community tab that I needed some statements that you or phrases that you guys want to hear how we say in patois, or basically how I would translate it in patois. So that's what I'm going to do today, all right? So, let's get into it. All right, guys. So, my first question was from Arthur Carter, aka Lisa's husband, aka Carter Eats. So, Arthur wanted to know how to say I love my wife. Arthur, this one's very easy. The man them would have say in Jamaican, me love me wife, or I feel me wifey that. That makes sense to you? So, it's I love my wife. It says me love me wife, or a fimi wifey that. So that one wasn't too bad. Taylor Made says she had two of them. She has I ain't cooking jack and hold your mule. So I'm gonna do the easier one first, which is I ain't cooking jack. Taylor Made, that means I ain't cooking nothing. Me nah cook a thing. You see, let me pronounce it for you. Me nah cook a thing. That's what that means. Hold your mule. That one, girl, I don't know where you get that one from, but I know how you talk. So I'm gonna say it says that basically you need to stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing, or me soon come no move. And that's what I think that means. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to get back with Jody on that one. But it's my translation of hold your mule is me soon come, or stop what you're doing. That's what I get from that one. This one is from the JL family. They had a few, so I picked out a few questions that I wanted to, few phrases that I'm going to say. So the first one is that y'all getting on my nerves. That one is, Una, I get pan tap on my nerves. Just like that. Uno, I get pan tap on my nerves. What's up? Wagwan. That's simple. Wagwan. The other one is, you're so beautiful. Make it pretty so. Pretty much that's how the guys would say it. Some girls would say it that way. Make it pretty so. Uh, this food is good. The food that tastes good, man. Get out of my face. Come out of my face. It normally goes with a phrase like, we are look pan. Come out of my face. Me not talk to you. That's a whole different phrase. I love my food. Me love food. Just like that. Guys, say it with the attitude. Me love food. And the other one is, how are you? Where are you? Like, wagwan. Basically, it's like everything is like wagwan. It's the same thing as WhatsApp. Like, wagwan, we up to? Yeah, do nothing. Things like that. So, I hope that helps the JL family. Alright. Drew Nation says, boy, shut your mouth. Drew Nation, I'm going to tell you, that is so simple. Ain't nobody going to say that. You know what they're going to say? You chat too much. Basically, you chat too much. Boy, you chat too much. Go shut your mouth. It's always that fears. It normally comes like Jamaican, they don't just have one saying. It's like a whole bunch of phrases together. And when they're really mad, it comes out really fast. So that's the simplest version I could give you, Drew Nation. Jody basically said, I had one from Jody, David and Jody, is she said, how you doing and where do you live? I already heard it said, how do you doing is just like, how are you? It's like, wagwan, excuse me, wagwan, where you up to? Where you live? Where do you live? Or where you live? Basically, I said that backwards. Where you live? Where I come from? Stuff like that. Where you live? Which party there? So it's a whole bunch of different phrases. It depends on where you're coming from in Jamaica, or what part of parish you're from. They have different ways of saying it. So that's how I say it. Where you live. Angel Eats and Chats says, get it together. Angel, that one is kind of hard for me because we don't really say get it together. It would go like a phrase like, "Me no know wrong with you, but you need to fix that right now." So is that basically fix that? I would say that's what it means. C Bunny has said that she just wants some slang or anything that I was saying in Jamaica. So C Bunny, this is what I got for you. I have a whole bunch of Jamaican phrase for you. So C Bunny is, I'm going out tonight. So it's like, me I go one party later, ya come? You want come? That's like basically me saying that I'm going to a party later and I want to know if you want to come with me. So me I go one party later, you want come? Or see paper over there, so make you not go get it. So it's basically saying that see the paper over there, why don't you go get it? So I have a lot of phrases, a lot of things. It's basically it's English, but it's just a broken English, as you would say, slang. And that's all the questions that I had. That's all the questions everyone had asked me. If you want me to say other phrases or other words, you could just continue to comment on my community tab and I will do another video on it. Bye guys. I hope this was helpful to you. Have a good day. And thank you again for all your prayers. I really, really appreciate it. Bye.